Hey there, life can sometimes feel absolutely overwhelming. Isn't that true? At times, we all experience moments when it seems like everything is falling apart and the weight of the entire world is pressing down on our shoulders. But allow me to remind you of this. It's during these times of struggle that we truly discover our unique strength and resilience. When life seems like it's tossing you all upside down, it's not really the end of your story. It's a chance to lead to incredible growth. Think about it, and each setback is in fact an opportunity to rise even stronger, to learn, and to redefine your very being. It's fine to feel lost or overwhelmed sometimes. Those feelings are a natural part of being a human being. However, always remember that you have the power to transform your pain into a genuine sense of purpose. Take just a moment to think about the challenges you've faced in the past. Each one of these experiences has shaped you in so many ways, taught you how to be more resilient, and equipped you with numerous tools with which to tackle whatever challenges come your way. You are not defined only by the struggles you face. You're defined by how you respond to them. Embrace the discomfort, lean into it, and let it actually propel you forward. Surround yourself with positivity, too. Seek out those who uplift you, who genuinely believe in your potential, and who inspire you to keep pushing forward even when things get tough. You are not alone in this incredible journey that you are taking. There's actually an entire community out there prepared to support you, to remind you that you are capable of overcoming anything that life throws your way. So, when life seems like it's breaking you, don't just stand there in the debris. Gather the pieces together and go about beginning to build something remarkable. Your story is still being created, so the best parts are yet to come. Keep moving forward, keep maintaining belief in yourself, and always remember that each day is an entirely new opportunity to rise above and achieve greatness. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this message resonated with you, I would consider following or subscribing for more inspiring content. Together, let's embrace the journey and encourage one another to shine even brighter, day by day.